I'm in the market for a 4K 60 frame per second capable camera, and that's why I rented this Fujifilm X-T4. And I do think the image quality out of it is really, really nice. But I do have two small complaints about it. The first is the build quality. It just feels rather flimsy and plasticky, not really inspiring, like picking up a really solid aluminum X1D Mark II from Hasselblad, but of course that's a whole different ballgame price-wise. And it also doesn't shoot 4K 60. It also doesn't shoot 4K. But you get the point. Second is the autofocus. I actually don't think it's that bad. It's just that it searches and seeks focus all the time. And with this lens, the 16mm, and I tried it with the 23mm f1.4 from Fuji, it's really audible. You're always hearing it searching, going click, 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 click. And if you are a vlogger, that's going to get really annoying really fast. To the point that I just turned it off, not for this video, but when I'm working at my desk, because if you're not recording and it's just sitting there, it's still searching all the time. Even in a very, very simple scenario like this, where facial and eye recognition is on, like right now, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's going click, 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 and I'm not moving at all. I'm moving maybe an inch back and forth. So after you get used to a camera with just phenomenal eye recognition and focus, like the Sony a7S III or FX3 or Canon C70 or R5, you're a bit spoiled. Yes, they're in a different price range, but you just feel like, should I wait for the X-T5? Because this is just too annoying. To be extra fair to the lens and camera, I decided to put the 23mm f1.4 Fuji lens on and scoot back a little bit to get the same framing, just so I'm not so close to the camera, so I'd hear the lens focus seeking less, and you can still hear it, a little bit more faint, but still annoying.